reason that I brought her today. She's gonna bargain for everything, and I'm gonna pay for everything. But she's very good at that, right? Yes. Burmese fried noodle. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another. So today I'm going to one of the local market with my personal nutrition. Just kidding, but yeah, I'm gonna show you guys our local market, and yeah, we're gonna buy some stuff and go back home and cook. My station, and the market is just right behind it, so here we go. Hey, how did not? How you know what? So guys, first impression is a lot cleaner than I expected, because you know, back 4 years back when I come here it looks pretty dirty, but now it's like much more organized and a lot cleaner. That's how friendly the locals are. It feels weird when someone just look at you all of a sudden, but yeah. We're gonna get some pork belly, the best part of the pork. So guys, you get to select what kind of eggs you want over here with the price tag. It's not like Singapore where, like, you know, it comes in a carton, but yeah, you can buy just one egg as well. So talong na welo yam. I was just making sure, I was just confirming. her nutritionist have some comment. She like cameraman. Wait, let me turn the camera on. All right. So guys, one of the best memory I have with my mom is like, you know, going to the market and then going for some snacks afterwards. And right now we have buy all the ingredients that we need, and yeah, I'm looking for some place to eat. So yeah. Nama anu lah. Nó就加上豆腐味。Alright guys, we had some technical back inside the market. So basically I was talking about how I have memories, you know, eating snacks right after we shop, and we went to some noodle place, some kind of like a budget place. We ate some and then yeah, we just came back home. Now I'm gonna cook all the ingredients that we have here, and yeah. Alright, we have bell pepper, carrots, onion, garlic, ginger, cabbage, and lots of pork, and some eggs. Some eggs. Let's go. Okay, let's go. Ooh. Bro, below yam này mà tiền. Rồi tao sao trời. I'm probably gonna sneeze right after this. Achoo! Achoo! Alright, so after adding up all the sauces, you want to check the texture of the pork, and if you're happy with that, you start to add in all your veggies. Cabbage in. Wow, that's a lot. That's a lot of cabbage. Mùi lại của nó. Right, here we have our, I would say, Burmese fried noodle. Burmese fried noodle, wow, look at that. Bro, go now. Is that enough for you? Yeah? Okay. Big, too big. My plating is not that good, but wow, this pretty sure it's delicious. Let's go and give it a try, alright? Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. First of all, I want to apologize for the audio. So I've got this really expensive mic which I've been testing out, but it is not going our way. A lot of the time the audio gets cut off when we are, you know, telling stories, having conversation and all. So yeah, really apologize for that. I'm gonna stick to my Rode microphone for now, and then, you know, find a better solution down the road. Anyway, this vlog is just about me trying to, you know, recreate memories with my mom. Especially, she used to go to the market with me. She used to cook everything, so I just wanted to, you know, create that moment and then, you know, explore the market at the same time. So I went to the market, buy some stuff, came back home, I cooked for her, but she still helped me out with a lot of things. So yeah, it was a fun video to make. So yeah, that's it for that. That's it from me. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in the next vlog.